ka Ri Bhoi Synod College Umsaitsning menta ka sngi kalapenlong ya ka program penkubrom ne ka graduation day ban ai ka jingyero ya ki arpwe ngut ki samla pule ki bla pyndep ya ka jingpule graduate na ka te ka college ya ka ne ka program la penlong ha phalau jong ka Ri Bhoi Synod College Umsaitsning ha ka jingya don lang meral bonds im MLA ka nongpo kumu kongsan rengkat principal ka college Reverend Precious Timung president ka governing board Reverend HL Mashering kinong hikai ki samla pule lembat kiwe habakren hakane kasngi kumu kongsan meral bonds im ulaong baga graduation day ka day kasngi ka bakarpang bat ka bapen iya ka jing job jong ki samla pule hadin ka jingya lenti ka bajrong ha kalyang ka pule puti ka program kala long ru kum ka jing pensulur bat ka jing ai mensim ya ki samla pule ba kindang beteng ya ka jingya lenti jong ki shaki kerdan ki bakham shalor bat ban long kinong yalam ki badon ka jingkit kli ha ka imlang sa lang.
Kalau PE bagi pun dari fiksi iman suara jupi iyo. So it is a time of joy to each and every one of us, not only to the student, but to the teachers, faculty members who are present. The task that has been put in front of each and every one of us, that we are able to fulfill it with joy and happiness. And we understand the challenges that the college are facing with regard to infrastructure, with regard to other utility within this college. Keeping in mind all those challenges, Ri Bhoi Synod College, after it has attained full affiliation to the Northeastern Hill University in 2023, now we have to go from strength to strength. Even though I have said in my opening remark, the challenges are always there. With regards to students, with regard to management, family, the support, these are issues in each and every one of us we have to go through. Nomor kata, kini kiba di bahagian di badan lang dengan por. Kini di por dokumen, kata narum tajuk judi lang baru. Menio mengisakilah ia dengan kesini. Graduation day narum tajuk ini. Student ini but being a scam, most among you have pursued for further studies, for PGs, Shillong, Guwahati, Dura, or elsewhere. Those who have an opportunity, your family, and will continue to support you. And we wish you all the best in days to come. When we are here today, remembering a student life. As a student in the past, at various stages in which I personally remember how we have struggled to ensure that we will sail through at every steps, to every challenges that we are facing.